Disclaimer: the following video is an in-depth analytical analysis and critical review of a select individual or group of fictional characters. Nothing I say is intended as a personal attack to the creator and is meant only to provide criticism. Now on with the video. Hello people, it's me. It's been a while. 3 months has had its fair share of changes, but I'm finally back again to provide you all with some subpar quality content. You may have noticed one of 3 things since I started talking. 1, my background is no longer just white, so no, I'm not racist. 2, the quality has improved ever so slightly since last time. And 3, I still have an ego that extends further than fat people in latex. Jokes aside, I'm back again with my typical critical and somewhat cynical content of talking about how to improve your work. And today I wanted to talk about a particular character from a questionable YouTube gentleman by the name of Super Mario Logan. And when you know it, that character is Jeffy. Yes, you can turn the video off now. So for context, for those of you who are lucky enough to not know exactly what Jeffy, or Super Mario Logan, SML for short, is, it's a YouTube channel about animate plush dolls experiencing oddities and strangeness in their everyday lives, be it due to outside forces, one-on-one conflict, or their own personal issues. I personally don't have much of a history with this channel, mostly due to the appeal of plush dolls being moved around by hands on the screen not really being my kind of content, but whatever, there's bound to be an audience somewhere. But where my problem lies doesn't necessarily come into play with the channel, but rather with a particular character, that being Jeffy. Who exactly is Jeffy? Well, it's a puppet character that was introduced back in 2016 that is sort of a foil for the other protagonists. He acts annoying, causes problems, and oftentimes gets himself or others into trouble. Now you may just think that this is the base idea of the character, that there would be more to them than just being annoying and a problem. Well...
Don't say that word, Jeffy.
Alright, faggot.
No, Jeffy, it's a...
What the fuck is it gonna do that, Daddy?
Look at the corner!
Daddy, this ain't teaching me fuck! This one? No, that's blue, Jeffy! Oh, Jeffy, be catch! What, no, Jeffy! I've been here the whole time!
Jeffy, don't lie to me!
What the fuck? Are you fucking high?
Yeah, you can see that's not the case here. So, let me first start by talking about the design of the character. The basic concept is well enough okay. It doesn't hurt to look at the character from a first glance. The colors are actually consistent and have correlation that make it memorable. Though I think the problem in design lies mostly in oversaturation. There's just too much here that serves no purpose. Like, why the unibrow? Why is the diaper on the outside? I get it's supposed to be some dumbass character who is really just incompetent, but isn't Jeffy being taken care of by someone? The shirt with the name, the helmet, and the buck teeth should give enough of an indication that they aren't very smart and oftentimes will act stupid and childish. Every detail of a character counts. Just take a look at other puppet designs and see how idiot characters always either have a few distinct details or their design has things that make them memorable and have background and depth. It's just too much here. Tone it back and it could make the design more appealing. But what about the personality of Jeffy? Well, there isn't much in the ways of unique personality per se. He's pretty much your typical idiot kid, but with the added bonus that now that's just what he is. He's annoying, that's his personality. And I don't mean just annoying to other characters, but I mean annoying to the audience. It was difficult for me to actually sit through these videos in order to analyze Jeffy, both because I'm not a fan of these style of videos and because every time Jeffy spoke it was only to harm or annoy. You'd think there'd be a little bit of originality in the style, but it's so two-dimensional I'm surprised this isn't Paper Mario with how flat of a character he and the others are. I'm not asking for anything major, I'm just asking that, you gave a shit to make him likable. For example, my character Vinebomb. He's an idiot Joker android who likes to talk and is just kind of annoying and childish. But what makes him special is that while he is annoying, he is actually helpful with the explosives stored in his body, if a bit haphazard with the use of them. Plus, he's a corrupt robot that was originally made for the purpose of destruction, so it's very unusual to see a powerful character in the form of a jokester dumbass. Now, let's talk about the actual story of this character. Bond up at Mario's place, acted like a dumbass kid, caused the protagonist unsolvable issues. A year later, his deadbeat mom comes and gets him, he's taken away, runs back to the protagonist's house, and now he's an asshole. That's pretty much his backstory. As for his progression and development... So, in conclusion, here's how I think you could improve this character. Take out unnecessary details that oversaturate the design, make his personality more fleshed out and interesting than just being stupid, and rework his story to make it more redeeming. My final rating on the bad character scale for Jeffy is a 2 out of 5. It's not the worst character in the world, definitely not, but it is in dire need of improvements that could redeem this character immensely. I'm Trey, and as always, keep smiling, keep trying, and stay creative.